Look out, Mr. Worm. The robin's gonna get you. Where is that worm? It looks big and juicy. I know, I could hear it around here somewhere. No, that's a lawn seed. Don't want to take that. It's got to grow as grass. Oh, there he is. Oh, I got him. Yeah, that's it. I got that worm. Yeah, let's swallow him up. Oh, yeah. Oh, tasty. Yes. Come on. Oh. Yeah, you're not getting away from me. Love it. There you go. That's good. Feels good in my belly. Feels good in my belly hole. Get in my belly. Yeah. Oh, yes. Good stuff. Yes. Now I need a rest. That's hard work for us robins. Getting these worms. Yes. That worm was good. That's good. Yeah. Bugger off, dog.